So Aidan did here with another video. And what I'm doing today, I actually started yesterday. I had no one to film again, and that is the reason why I don't get some things. What I'm doing is actually some columns, concrete columns, to construct a garage area, parking area for cars. So what we did, at least here in Trinidad, what we do is we go to the sawmill, we get slabs like these, 1 by 12 by 12. Actually, these are 10 feet high. We put them together to make these foams here. Right? These are the two that I did yesterday, so I'm just actually taking them out. They came out pretty good, nice and full. Cement settled nicely. Steel, the rebars are centered at the top and everything. So I'm going to be doing this one today. I have gravel. So I'm going to be doing this one today. This one is not supported yet. So I'm going to put some support on that and get that one done today. So I have one more to go over there. That one is done. This one is done. Let me just remove this and show you how it's removed. So I took the space out, which is actually this here. I took the space out already, right? And this is going to be used for another column. So I'm just going to remove this entire piece and put it on another column. You're going to see how it goes. Right? The big reveal. Actually, it came out quite well. Nice and square. The steel rebars are centered well. Not perfect, but it is workable. It came out pretty good. So this, I'm now going to take this over this way. It's kind of heavy. Actually, I have to move those water pipes there because it goes into the base of the column. So I'm going to have to move those and relocate them, and that's going to be it. So this is going to fit right around this snugly. The face is going to come at the front. I'm going to fill it with concrete, and they're going to be just like the other two that we have there, right? And the garage is going to come like this. Column's going to be here, and the garage is going to come like this. That's going to be it. So I'll show you the process as we begin to pour cement. I put out 48 shovels, or that's equivalent of 4 barrels of gravel aggregate. I'm going to add this half bag of cement and an entire bag. So it's going to be a nice rich mix, and put that ladder right where it is. Go up on the ladder, and my lovely wife, she's going to fill the buckets and I pour them in. So it's a quick, easy process, a little bit strenuous, but the quality of work is really, really, really good. Right? It's a nice cool day. It's going to rain soon, but we're going to get this done. So I'm working on that one over there, then I'm going to work on that one behind there, and that's going to be it for today, because the plumber needs to come and remove those pipes from between this one, and that's it. So I'm going to mix this up and see how it goes.
Reporting.
once we spread the Portland cement, we're going to make little holes so that we're going to be filling that with water. Leave it to soak into the aggregate a few minutes, and then it mixes very, very easy. You're going to see the process. Make little holes like this. So once we're done with this is mixed, and then we begin the process of filling it up with little buckets. So we're just going to fill this up with water. Leave this to soak for a little bit, maybe 2 to 5 minutes, and that makes mixing very, very easy, and that's it. So that's the simple process of putting up a column.